do the work, you work hard enough, dreams come true. Those times when you get up early and you work hard, those times when you stay up late and you work hard, those times when you don't feel like working, you're too tired, you don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is actually the dream.
Bryant leads, falling away, puts it in! And the Lakers take a 1-point lead with 7.3 remaining. On a
Kobe guarded by Kobe. Kobe pump fake. For 4 to 6 from the field. This would be 18 for 20 from the line. And an 81 point for this crowd for number 8.
Dance beautifully in the box that you are comfortable dancing in. My box was to be extremely ambitious within the sport of basketball. Your box is different than mine. Everybody has their own. It's your job to try to perfect it and make it as beautiful of a canvas as you can make it. And if you have done that, then you have lived a successful life. You have lived with Mamba Mentality.
Thanks for checking out today's video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Don't mind the look right now. I'm looking mad crazy like I stuck my hand in the socket. it's quarantine. Everybody looking crazy right now. So what can I say? Hopefully I get this situated real soon. I'm gonna get this braided, get this taken care of. One of the good things for me though is I do own a pair of clippers, so I can somewhat maintain a semi-fresh, non-homeless look. But for the most part, yeah, it's rough out here, man. Hope you all are using this time to, you know, either recharge, pick up a new hobby, keep your mind active, man. You know, stay indoors. You know, this is a rough time right now. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Everyone stay safe. But yeah, these Kobe tributes came out real nice. I wanted to shoot a quickly encapsulate Kobe's career. I didn't want to overbear it with all his career numbers, so I chose 4 separate images. One thing we should all take from Kobe, even if you wasn't a fan of his or not, even if you don't know nothing about basketball, and that's to approach anything in life that you're passionate about with Mamba mentality, man. Try and perfect your craft, try and study it, try and be the best at it that you could be, and maximize your abilities at what you love to do. So that's one thing you could always take away from Kobe. Low-key want to keep him for myself, but I got to get him back to their owner, man. Yeah, stay tuned. Next time y'all see me, I should be looking more humane than this. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content, and leave a like, leave a comment. And yeah, in the words of the late great Kobe Bryant, Mamba out, JSB out. I'm out. Peace out. We out. I'm out of here. Bye. Bye. Bye.